Today we will read about multiplication of matrix, that if A is equals to a matrix whose order is m by n and B is a matrix whose order is n by p, then AB possible, and the order of AB is becomes m by p. How it is possible? So one thing note down, students, that when the first matrix column number is equals to the second matrix row number, then the matrix multiplication possible. Only that if you're writing AB the A is the first matrix, B is the second matrix, it means the column number of the first matrix, it means A, here n, and the row number of the second matrix, here B, and its row is n. If they are equal, then only AB possible, and its order become the remaining row of A and the remaining column of B. It means M cross B, and AB becomes a new matrix. I hope it's clear. So let's see that BA is possible. Say again, I am written the B first and that A. So then becomes B is the first matrix and A becomes the second matrix. So the column number of the first matrix. So B is here a first matrix and its column number is P, and the row number of the second matrix, it means M. You can see P and M are not equal, so BA not possible. So I hope it's clear. And one more thing you have to note down, that matrix multiplication not commutative. It means AB not equals to BA. Sometimes it's possible, it's exceptional, it depends upon the some particular examples. I hope it's clear. Thank you.